Alright y'all, welcome back. Boy Guy with a camera here. Today we're going to go over these Tsun RGB Solar Floodlights. I think you guys are going to be pretty impressed with these. We're going to go ahead and open them up. Tsun went and sent me a 4-pack of these lights. I already have 2 of them outside in the garden. We were testing them out. So first things first, we get a little instruction booklet. We get our stake. Right, so this is our ground stake. It's plastic, but it's still a heavy-duty plastic. It's not like a cheap, thin plastic. Then in here, we have our solar light. And then we have a couple screws and stuff in case you want to mount this somewhere. So you can mount it. You can mount it on a wall or something like that, right? Maybe. I just messed this one up. Hold on, guys. I took it too far out. So yeah, you can mount it on a wall or anything like that. So these are plastic, but they're still, like I said, they are a heavy duty plastic. It's not like a cheap, flimsy plastic. It's pretty solid. And then as far as the light goes, you guys can see right here. So it has like a color changing effect, which I really, really like. And you guys will see when we go outside in the garden and see what they look like at night. And then you have different modes, obviously, right? So we can go on. This is a steady, right? You can pick your color and then press the button. It'll go on there. And then we can get it to change again, right? And this is slower. And then we just pick our lights. So, I mean, this is what you get in the package. This is the same exact thing, so I ain't even going to open it. Like I said, I have a 4-pack. But either way, you know, I'm pretty impressed with them. I really like the colors that they generate, and the RGB and solar power is always nice, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go outside and take a look at these outside, and you guys can see them demonstrated on the house. But, I mean, quick, easy, open box item right here, and that's about it, guys. So I'll see you right outside. Alright, yo, so we're outside. As you can see, I have 2 of the lights out here in my garden. And they're shining on the light. I have them on color changing RGB right now. Obviously, you guys can see. I'll back up a little bit. They are definitely bright enough to cover an area, or if you wanted to put them on the side of your house and light them up and have different colors going along. I think they're super cool. Definitely, there's nothing else that I have that's like this. You know, especially being solar powered. They last pretty long. I've had them out here for a couple days, and they've gone all night long. So there's 2 different settings. You have high light and low light. So they last between 6 and 12 hours, depending on what setting you have them on. These have been going all night long, just how they are. Obviously, I get a ton of sunlight right here in the front, and as you can see, you know, as always, the neighbors are always just like, "Oh, that looks awesome," you know what I mean? While they're walking by at night. So it definitely adds a little color to the house, and you know, definitely kind of cool. Sure you guys can see the different color changes and how it lights up everything a little differently. So you know, if you're looking for decorations or just some pretty cool lighting, especially because they're solar panel, of course, you're nothing to have them on. So, but that's about it, guys. Real quick, easy video. You know, I really like these, and obviously, you guys see me work with Tsun multiple times, and everything I've received from them has been an awesome product, high quality product. And that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and end this video right here. As always, I hope everybody's staying safe, and you know, I hope to see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.